Alright, so I don't have it fully mounted on, but I do like the way it looks. Like I say, I got another exhaust coming as well, so I'll end up putting that on. We'll see how that one sounds, and we'll see how that one looks as well. So, got the springs on. Probably see about tightening it up just a little bit, but I wanted to do another little sound clip, so hopefully the neighbor's car alarm don't get scared. A little bit of exhaust escaping right here, so I'm gonna get this. I'll probably have to get the mid pipe changed, so stay tuned. So get that figured out. Maybe the other exhausts are both up a little bit neater, but in the meantime, it does look pretty good. I think it sounds pretty good too. Just gonna clean up that little escape in the exhaust so I don't lose any horsepower, and we'll go from there.